Salon from Coupe Motorcycles. We've got two V-Strom XTs to show you today. So we've got V-Strom 1050XT, we're calling this a low model, and then we've got standard V-Strom 1050 with a touring pack. Both bikes have a touring pack, but the one on the other side there, we don't have the panniers on it, so you can see it without the panniers. So the XT model, plenty of features on it. So you've got new LCD dash, which came last year. You've got the hand guards, engine bars, belly pan, and engine casing protector as well. With the Tour, you get the 3-box luggage, so 3-box aluminium luggage, so super sturdy, perfect for going away, touring, adventure riding. So you can see engine bars here, you've got the casing protector and the belly pan, all included with the XT model. The screen is adjustable. You've got riding modes, traction control, hill assist, all the bells and whistles that you want on a modern day adventure bike. So I'll jump on this one. So this is the low one. So the bike itself has been lowered, plus a lower seat as well. So super easy to get onto, even with the panniers, and I'm flat-footed on there. So it's yeah, nice and easy. So I'll jump off this one. I'll just jump on the regular one. Standard bike. This is what the bike looks like without the panniers. You're just left with this the rack on the side. And with a standard bike, I'll be just balls on my feet, so still comfortable, but not flat-footed like I am on the low version. So both bikes available at Coupe Motorcycles. They are on a special offer just now, both yellow bikes. So go to our website. All the pricing and availability is on our website. Okay, thank you.